guys, this headset is well and truly dead. Today I'm going to show you what actually broke with these and how it broke. So this right here is the Logitech G233. Now this same kind of shape and structure is also with the G433 and the G Pro. Now I purchased these about 9 months ago and also did a video on them where I said to recommend them, and for the most part they have been a really good headset. But something happened that basically destroyed these. So as you can see right here, I've actually got some tape holding this headset together. Now this is the broken part, it's the weak point of this headset, and I actually showcase some film detailing what exactly happened. On this part of the frame, as you can see, it started to crack, and with this cracking it got bigger and bigger until it just broke. It gave up. I can't really use them anymore, sadly. So with this now being this broken, the clamping force is incorrect. It's actually not sitting on my head properly, so the audio is not right. It's quite a pity because for the price they were an extremely good headset, but yeah, weak point, break, useless. Also, another funny thing is that you've got these earmuffs that are detachable and they say you can clean them in the wash, which is very good and everything, but the headband itself is actually dirtier, so you can't actually take that off and clean it. So you need to get some fabric cleaner to clean it if you want to do that. I've also got some film right here of the other side starting to crack too. It's not as big, but you can see it actually is starting, so on that other side it's inevitably going to go down the same path, which honestly it sucks. Now I might as well explain the timeline of what actually happened. So 6 months after I did the video, the cracking started on this part of the frame. It was minute like the other side, and then it got gradually bigger and bigger. But then it got to a point where it was grounding itself out, so it was happening more and more, and that's what led to it breaking. Now one thing that didn't break on these, which was surprising for me, was the cords. So other headsets I've purchased in the past have always broken and snapped, and I have not been able to get a replacement. But with these, perfectly fine. Now for the next kind of specific segment, there is a different version of the G Pro, so you don't need to go in this kind of style. You can go to a much better built version, which is a little more expensive. Now funnily enough, I actually just purchased that version, so yeah, I can actually show you. So here's the box. Now I'm not going to actually unbox it in this video because I'm going to do that in another video. You can see that they are a different design to these other style, so they are way more durable. The actual part that breaks on these is made of metal on the other one, so you made sure that that won't happen. The only trade-off is that this version doesn't have these swiveling ear cups that this does, so you can't put it around your head like this one, which is a little bit of a bummer, which makes it less portable, but for most people they're using these on a desktop. So for some people, yes, yeah, it's kind of a bummer. For most people, it's not really a problem. So I'm going to end it here. I just wanted to make this video as a buyer beware because the first couple months of these headsets, they're completely fine, but after a little while, they start to break. And I know I don't want people wasting their money on a headset that I actually recommended. Now the bad news for me is that I can't use them anymore. Good news though is that I've got the new G Pro and I'll be doing an unboxing as I said, and I'll be using that from later on. So got a good thing coming out of this. Okay guys, I'll see you later in my next video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos from me, make sure to subscribe. It helps me out. I'll be doing more tech videos as well with this because of the new headset I've just purchased. I've also got other stuff that I can unbox, so yeah. Okay, I'll see you guys later and peace.